भगत सिंह की बुक है वाई आई एम एन एथिस्ट। दिस बुक विल कवर by page. Chapter number first. Why I am an atheist. Contents. Why I am an atheist. I would not defend myself. Letter to Said Sukhdev. The raid pamphlet statement of Bhagat Singh and B.K. Dutt in the assembly bomb case. Demands for political prisoners. Reiterating hunger strikes. Demands. Message to Punjab students conference when Sukhdev thought of suicide. On why he refused to attend court regarding the LCC ordinance. Letter to Jaydev Gupta for the removal of Justice Hilton. Letter to B.K. Dutt to young political workers. Line of defense in Hari Krishan's case. Introducing to the dreamland. Don't hang us, shoot us. Known the revolutionary Bhagat Singh. In the early decades of 20th century, in the fight of India's independence was its peak. While leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Jawaharlal Nehru fought with non-cooperation and non-violence, the revolutionaries gave their sweat and blood to the struggle for independence. Among the many known names was a star that stood out Bhagat Singh, laying down his life for a nation at the tender age of 23. He became an idol for many in the years that followed. Celebrated as a young, well-read and meticulous socialist revolutionary. His name is etched in blood in the pages of Indian history as a hero. Bhagat Singh was born in 1907 in the Punjab province under British India. His parents, Kishan Singh and Vidyavati, were also a part of Indian independence movement. So, needless to say, Bhagat Singh was exposed to these ideas early in his life, early on in life, since his grandfather was a follower of Arya Samaj founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Bhagat Singh was also influenced by it. He also completed his schooling from the AV High School. When he joined National Congress in Lahore, he was an all-rounder studying to his heart's content and participating in dramatics and essay competitions alongside. He was deeply influenced by the socialist philosophy and founded at the Indian Socialist Youth Organization known by the name Naujawan Bharat Sabha in March 1926. He was also a part of Hindustan Republican Association (HRA), along with Chandrasekhar Azad and Ram Prasad Bismil, among other well-known revolutionary freedom fighters. His family thought he was too deeply involved with the cause of freedom and needed an anchor, and hence thought of arranging his marriage. To escape the same, he ran away. He also gave a firm voice to his thoughts as he edited some Urdu and Punjabi newspapers in Amritsar. His words had the power to transform thoughts, and the British officials ended up arresting him in 1927 for his revolutionary thoughts, seeing him as a potential danger as his ideas were influencing far too many youngsters. When the Simon Commission visited Lahore in 1928, Lala Lajpat Rai led a march to register protest against the commission in order to disperse the crowd. The police used lathis charging Rai. In particular, Lala Lajpat Rai died of a heart stroke on 17th November 1928, and as per the doctors, it could have been due to the fatal injuries during the lathi charges. In a plan to avenge Rai's death, Bhagat Singh, along with Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev Thapar, and Shivram Rajguru, planned to kill Scott, but in a case of mistaken identity, they ended up killing a young ASP named J.P. Saunders. The killing was condemned by leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and several leading newspapers too, who stressed on non-cooperation and non-violence. It seems to have soaked into the public conscience as an act of brave retaliation, making Bhagat Singh. The four people behind the plan to kill Scott escaped on bicycles to their respective safe houses. They took help from other HSRA members to leave Lahore till the matter came to rest. Keeping in mind the strong search operation by the police, Bhagat Singh took to the western attire, got his hair cut after giving up the turban, a head to cover it, and shaved off his beard. In the time that followed, Singh continuously worked on inspiring other youngsters to fight for the nation as against worrying about their life comforts. In one such dramatic act of giving out a message, he proposed to drop bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly fighting against the Public Safety Bill and the Trade Dispute Act. They threw pamphlets inside the Legislative Assembly while they threw two bombs inside the corridor. The intent was to warn them and not cause any loss of life, as Singh and his comrades considered human lives as at most important. The pamphlet is included in the book, and you will find how they clearly mentioned their objective in the same. Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt, who threw the bombs in the assembly, were arrested and put under trial. Singh was given life imprisonment, but this decision was suspended when the Saunders murder came into light. While under trial, they also went on hunger strikes in the jails they were held in, demanding better facilities for political prisoners. You will also read all those letters in this book. Bhagat Singh was a well-read man who knew that their revolution could only be fueled with the fire of knowledge. His letters to friends will give you an idea of the kind of books he read and also the ideologies he followed. His famous writing, Why I Am an Atheist, is a well articulated opinion of a young man at the threshold of that death, popularizing for the nation and fellow revolutionaries the slogan Inqilab Zindabad. He became the flag bearer of the voice of resistance to the British Raj. While most of the writings included in this book are translated from Punjabi, they will surely give you a peek into the working of a revolutionary mind. Chapter number first: Why I am an atheist 5 October 1930, Bhagat Singh penned down this essay in Lahore Central Jail in 1930 in response to his religious friend who presumed that he had turned an atheist because of his vanity.